Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on resetting the Kindle Paperwhite. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. It's a good idea to reset your Kindle if you are selling it or giving it to someone else. Be aware that resetting your Kindle to factory settings will delete all of the device data and preferences. From the Kindle homepage, tap the three dots button in the top right. Then tap Settings from the menu. In Settings, tap Device Options. Tap Reset at the bottom of the options. Tap Yes to reset your Kindle to factory settings. When it restarts, you will have to set it up as a new device by choosing the language, logging into your Amazon account and connecting to Wi-Fi. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Kindle tips and tricks.